Hey everybody, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we are highlighting this 2023 Mercedes GLE350. We just got this one in from a client here locally. Beautiful car, has 57,000 miles. Very nice, all dealer records. Have a stack of dealer records on this one. It was just serviced just a few days ago. It had all the up-to-date services completed. And this one is a pretty loaded version of one of these GLE 350s. It's got the rear spoiler back here in the back. It's got the 21-inch AMG wheels. It has the night package. It has the AMG line exterior body styling package with the fender flares and the bumpers with the scoops. It has a tow package. Very, very nice. Premium package as well with the heated and ventilated seats, pano roof. It's got the 360 surround view camera. Very nice illuminated running boards as well. You see that AMG body styling grille of that package. Very cool truck. It's got navigation, of course, and everything. So really well loaded. Looks great. It's a one owner. No dents, no scratches. The wheels are in all very good shape. The tires are very recent. They're not brand new, but they don't have a lot of miles on them, so you're good there. That spoiler looks good. This does have all-weather floor mats as well inside. There you go. It's got the steering wheel with all the functions. You can control the screen with all these buttons here, and then the dash cluster is controlled with these buttons, so you really never even have to move your hands. You can do everything from the steering wheel. Again, this is a 23 model. It's got the Burmester sound system as well. That was an upgrade on the window sticker. We do have the window sticker for this vehicle and the books. It's very nice. Screen all the way across. It's got the real nice interior lighting as well, the ambient lighting. Give us a call, text, email. We can ship this to your driveway. Long distance deals are easy. If you got financing, we can work with your bank as well. I do have a finance tab on my website. You can go there and click finance and apply. If you have a trade-in, we can also take trades. So I hope to hear from you soon on this one. Thank you.